Balawan Jinghikai kilong usalikan ubade social media consultant jong ki Pulit Meghalaya bat Assam bat Uravi Guria jong ka Digital Empowerment Foundation ukhan haba Jinghikai ki Pulit halo social media loong ba kani ka jingtmu jong kani ka training kalong ban Jinghikai ki Pulit bakin sungthu batip banyale Pyrsha Iaki Khubor hamsaya ki Khubor Thok ki comes new leng ba ki social media bat kiwi ki core internet ki ba sapriang leng ba ki social media ka jingtmu jong kani kalong ba ki Pulit jong ka jela kinyo ya ka Jinghikai kumno banyale Pyrsha ki babun kum kini ki jing sapriang Khubor ki bajelai ba kini ki singi ki bamenta Uravi Guria balabatai kumnu ki Khubor Thok ki sapriang keleng leng ba ki social media ulong man kini pat nyopo no kispa ki degi bampenon kam bat ki busuya sngo na ki wepat bat kane ka companies new susu halo ka jingrai state jong ka information technology uguria ulong ba ki bor Pulit ki deban page ba ya ki dur ni ki video ki basapriang leng ba ki social media namar ki babun ki degi busu Thok bat danru tangda ka ba ki susna ki brio ni edit ya ka badairu kala ban lambak la da kumai pat ulong ba kari India ki bakum kini ki kor Thok ki long ka jingma bat ki wanra iru ya ka jingyap jong ki brio ki balui
So it is very important to, when we receive an information, if it's an opinion, then it should be treated as an opinion only and not as a true information or false information, right? So that is one classification of an information on WhatsApp. What do I mean by that? Multiple authentic sources. So if you have one source telling you something, it is also important to run that information through other sources which are equally authentic. Say, for example, a genuine newspaper, like say Times of India, or the administrative office, your CN, or the Director General of Police, the government official sources, the media official sources. It is very important to run that information through multiple authentic sources. And if most number of sources verify that information, then you can say that information is